Welcome back to Jethro's Garage for another video. I appreciate y'all coming in here today and joining me. Sit back, grab you a cold drink, and let's look at some tools. Today we're looking at the Titan Universal Joint Set. Wow, okay, I'm just knocking my coffee over. Number 85505. It's Autoflex, made in Taiwan. I don't know what the warranty is because it doesn't have it on it. So we all have universal joints, and I've showed y'all the little universal joint that that we had from Titan that was a flex on one end. Well, here's a whole set of universal joints. That one was an extension with a flex. This is a whole set of them, and I'm telling you what, I like them. I like them a lot. I haven't used them, but let's get these things out of the package and inspect them a little closer. Let's see. I thought that maybe it was telling me that that worked on that, but it doesn't. How does... I'm letting it beat me, ain't I? Okay, I kind of see how they come out of there. See if I can get this one to do. Nah. There, booger. Maybe. See, it's got instructions right there. Oh, it tells me to cut. Let's see if I can. There we go. I cut them. Well, I think I did. There they go. You ever seen anyone struggle so much with something in their life? Man, these things. Okay, so this is the big one. The 1/2-inch drive. I gotta wonder how much torque these things hold. The machining looks good on them. The chrome looks pretty decent. Got my fingerprints all over them. Wonder if they got the technology to replicate your handprints after seeing them off of a picture. I know they do. I'm asking a dumb question. There's a spot on these right there. Nope, that's just something that was on there. The retention ball is pretty decent in there. Nice pins. Pins look okay. They're actually screwed in, so you could take these apart and service them. Willing to bet there's a spring that is inside this part that this goes through, and if you pull this out, it makes it come off center. I could be wrong. It could be in the sides here as well, or in the sides of this. But I bet you if you took this apart, it'd be a booger to get back together. I like the way these are made. I look forward to using them. So one thing I'm wondering, and y'all can help me out. So I know you could probably use this to get a grip. The packaging doesn't tell me, but these it ain't a knurling. This machining here isn't in a pattern where I can use it on something in particular. I thought maybe before I looked at it close, I was hoping to get a 12-point socket on there or 12-point wrench, but I can't. So I'm just wondering what that's for. I'm not really sure though. So inside there, the broaching looks pretty decent. It's got nice slots for your ball retainers. Let's get us a ratchet and see how they fit. Give me a cold, trusty diamond SK out. Yeah, that fits wonderful. Oh yeah, that fits good. I like that. Y'all want to see another video, another ratchet on another size? Let's do the 1/4. Use this super long little Astro. That's pretty nice right there. Pretty good solid fit. Doesn't come off by itself. Yeah, that's nice. I tell you what, I'm liking the idea of these. In practice, I don't know. I can't tell you. I haven't used them yet. As y'all seen, I put them off there. We'll see how they use. I mean, how handy they come in. Got to try to remember I've got them though, because you know I'll struggle with something else, and then remember I had a tool specifically for that. I'm sure no one else does that. But anyway, let's back y'all up. Okay, that's it for this video. Remember the Titan Universal Joint Set, number 85505 Autoflex. Not a bad set. They're not super expensive. I forget how much they were, but I'm pretty sure they were under 20, I think. I got mine at O'Reilly's. I use mainly O'Reilly's and what's the other one? Napa. Mainly use Napa and O'Reilly's for my auto parts. I don't have anything against AutoZone or what's the other one? Advanced Auto. Or the others. There's more than that, but I just don't. I don't go there. My local Napa is locally owned, and you know, or it's a franchise, whatever. Not sure about the O'Reilly's. Sometimes they're franchises, sometimes they're not. But and we're here to talk about it. Thank y'all for watching. If you don't mind, click that like button. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already. And please share me with your friends. That helps more than anything. Well, watching the video completely helps it. But, you know, sharing with friends helps get the word out there. And thank y'all. Y'all have a wonderful week. Take care of each other and be blessed.